Hello, welcome to the demonstration video. This video demonstrates how to configure the voice OTP method as the second factor authenticator. In this video, we will learn what is voice OTP, what are the requirements for implementing voice OTP, how to configure the voice OTP method as the second factor authenticator, how to enroll and test the voice OTP method, how to authenticate to the Windows workstation with the voice OTP method. The voice OTP method helps users to authenticate by using the OTP received over the phone call to their registered phone number. The user must specify this OTP on the device where the authentication is happening. The OTP must be used within a specific time frame. Let us understand the flow of authentication with the voice OTP method. When a user tries to authenticate Windows or a laptop using the voice OTP method, an authentication request is created and the device tries to contact the advanced authentication server. The server validates the user's credentials and fetches the user's phone number from the repository. The advanced authentication server sends the request to a configured voice call service provider such as Clickatel, Twilio or MessageBird to call the user. The voice call service provider calls the user. The user picks up the phone, listens to the call, and specifies the OTP in the password section as a response to the advanced authentication server. AA server validates the OTP and authenticates the user to the device. Let us consider an example of Maria Belafonte, who wants to log into the Windows workstation by using the voice OTP method as the second factor authenticator. Meet Adam Mandari, who configures the voice OTP method for Maria. Here are some key points to ensure before you begin the configuration. Install Advanced Authentication Windows Client on Windows Workstation. For more information, refer to the Windows Client Installation Guide. Register yourself to the Advanced Authentication Supported Voice Sender portal and get the account SID and authentication token. Make sure a voice service and your phone number are assigned to your Twilio account. For more information, refer to the Server Administration Guide. Let us now see how Adam Mandari Administrator configures the voice OTP method on the Advanced Authentication Administration portal. To configure the voice OTP method, Adam must first log in to the Administrator portal. Now, let us configure the voice sender policy. Click Policies. The list of policies will appear on the screen. Click Voice Sender. In this example, Adam has registered for the Twilio service for the voice method and got the account SID and authentication token. Specify the Twilio account SID and authentication token respectively. Specify the sender's phone number. Specify the public URL to which the Twilio service connects for authentication. This URL points to the public external URLs policy. You can double-click the default URL and specify the external URL. Here I am specifying this URL. Click OK and then save the policy. Click Voice Sender. You can test the configurations for the voice sender policy in the test section. Specify the phone number to which you want to send the voice OTP. Specify a message to be sent to the phone. Click Send Test Message. You will receive the message over the phone call. Click Save. Now, let us see different settings in the voice OTP method. Navigate to Methods Voice OTP. These are the different settings required to configure the voice OTP method. You can retain the default value or change these settings as per your requirements. Allow overriding phone number option prevents users from providing a phone number not registered in the LDAP repository. This option is set to on by default. In this example, I am setting this option to off and retaining the remaining default values. Save the changes. Let us create a chain. Click Chains, New Chain. Specify the name of the chain and remember the name of the chain for further use. In this example, I am selecting LDAP password as the first method and voice OTP as the second method in the chain. Specify the user group that will use this chain for authentication. In this example, I am assigning this chain to all the users from the LDAP Active Directory named Jaguar users. Save the chain. Now, we need to map the authentication chain to the preferred event. Click Events, Windows Logon. In this example, we are mapping the chain with the LDAP password and voice OTP method to the Windows Logon event. Save the event. Let us now see how Maria Belafonte LDAP repo user enrolls the voice OTP method on the Advanced Authentication Self-Service portal. To enroll voice OTP method, Maria must first log in to the self-service portal. If a phone number is not registered in the repository for a user profile, then the voice OTP method is not enrolled automatically. However, you can manually enroll the voice OTP method from the Your Enrolled Single Methods for Sign-in section by clicking the plus icon. In this example, Maria's phone number is registered in the repository, so the voice OTP method is automatically enrolled for her. You can change the display name of the voice OTP method. Click Auto-Created Voice OTP method. By default, the display name is auto-created. However, you can update the display name. This is optional. To test the enrolled voice OTP method, click Test Method. Receive the call on your phone and listen to the voice OTP. Specify the OTP. Click Test. A test successful message is displayed. If the specified OTP is invalid, a message incorrect answer try again is displayed. Click OK. The enrolled voice OTP method is tested now. Click Save. Let us see how Maria logs into the Windows workstation by using the voice OTP method as a second factor authenticator. Specify the username and click Next. Select the chain with LDAP password and voice OTP method. Specify the LDAP password and click Next. Receive the call on your phone and listen to the voice OTP. Enter the OTP and click Next. Maria authenticates to the Windows workstation successfully. Thank you for watching this video.